Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Tom Clancy the Division 2 game error, and the error is attention, you have been disconnected from Tom Clancy the Division 2 services. Please check your internet connection status or speed or Tom Clancy the Division 2 service status, and the error code is DELTA-03. So if you're getting this DELTA-03 error in the Division 2 game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now here is the step 1, the quick workaround. Many players find success with this easy bypass. What you have to do? Wait for the game to disconnect and boot you back to the initial title screen. Do not close the game entirely. Now immediately log back in from the menu. The second connection attempt typically stabilizes the sessions. So you can try this tip and see if it helps or not. Also, a workaround has been suggested on Reddit. So when you go to the subreddit, here a user have mentioned a workaround has been suggested to me that for the moment works after getting Delta upon first login. Wait until return to menu, start game from there, and next game should be Delta free. On first test of this, I managed to do 2 daily projects with no packet loss. That's a player who tried to play. Now another user have replied, this worked for me today. Another user also replied, I have had some success with this method but only a couple tries thus far. Will continue to try it today when I get time to sit down and play. So you can also try this workaround and see if it helps in your case or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then next step is to perform a basic network fixes. You can perform power cycle, turn off your console or PC, and unplug your router modem completely. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes, plug them back in, and then test the game once your internet is fully restored. Try Ethernet connection. You can switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet cable if possible. Wi-Fi packet loss is a primary trigger for Delta errors. So you can try Ethernet connection, or you can also switch internet connection. You can switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. Step 3 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search, type control panel and open the control panel. Go to view network status and task under network and internet. Then click your connected Wi-Fi or internet. Then click on properties. Now make sure internet protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6 is unticked. If it is ticked mark, then untick it. And after unticking it, click on internet protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and then click on properties. Then select this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK, close it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Step 4 is to reset internet connection. So next fix is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search, type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, type this code one by one and paste it over here and then hit enter. You can copy and paste this code from my video description. These codes are safe to use as it is just used to reset your internet connection. That's it. Now after entering all these CMD codes, you will see the last, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close this command prompt and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after a PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Step 5 is to connect to VPN. So you can download and install Cloudflare Warp VPN from this website. I have provided this link in my video description. And once you're on this Cloudflare website, download this VPN and launch it and then connect it. And then after connecting to VPN, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. You can also connect to a different VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, and then check. Now, if you're getting this error on Xbox console, then you can try these steps. Step 1 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings. In general tab, select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check. Step 2 for Xbox console, manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network setting, test network connection, advanced settings. select alternate port selection and then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Restart your console and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which one worked for you. Now still your problem is not solved, then last thing you must do is to check for the Tom Clancy, the Division 2 server status. So you can go to this website. I have provided this link in my video description. And once you're on this website, you can see the server status of the Tom Clancy, the Division 2 game. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Tom Clancy, the Division 2 Delta-03 error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.